Can you check if they have any spots available on Saturday morning?
Sure. Give me a second. Looks like they have a few openings. Do you prefer 9 a.m. or 11 a.m.?
Let's go with 9 a.m. It'll be cooler in the morning.
Got it. I'll book it for 9 a.m. Traffic is worse than I thought. We will probably be late.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. Should we call the kayak rental place and see if we can reschedule?
Hi, this is John Smith. We have a reservation for 9 a.m., but we're stuck in traffic. Is there any chance we could push it to 11 a.m.?
Let me check. Yes, we can move your reservation to 11 a.m.
Great, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. We're all set for 11 a.m.